So guys, we are here now in the Barangay Colasi, Sitio Colasi. Okay. I'm here nearest of the tennis court. And now we come down to house of Rubin, Ma'am Catherine. Ma'am Jubilin. Guys, tulog ng motor guys, oh. Okay. Kami maglakaw lang, may gibilin na namo among motor, no. Bilin lang namo kay balik na mo ta dire.